So we are going to start off with In the Morning Sun. This is a beginner dance choreographed by Jose, Miguel, Belloque, Vane, and Ivonne Verhagen. So we hope to see them in Vegas, I think. I'm pretty sure Ivonne is coming. I haven't heard a confirmation on Jose, but I hope that this dance will be taught there. So if you don't get a chance to take this class there, hopefully you can refer to this video and then you'll be able to dance it in open dancing. It's pretty easy, you guys. There's only one restart, 32 count 4-wall dance. So we're gonna start with our right foot and we're gonna do a cross rock and a side shuffle. So we're gonna cross rock, recover, shuffle to our right, right, left, right. We do the same thing on our left, but we're gonna have a quarter turn. So we're gonna do rock, recover, and then a quarter turn shuffle. Left, right, left. So we're facing our 9 o'clock wall. Okay, really quick, let's do that. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. No sooner than we turn to our 9 o'clock wall, we are gonna do another pivot quarter turn to our back wall. So we step our right foot forward, quarter turn to our 6 o'clock wall, and do a crossing shuffle right over left. Cross shuffle. We don't want to stay in this position for too long, so let's finish up the 8 count. We're going to do a side rock with our left foot, side rock, and traveling to our right, so you're opposite of me right now, you're going to be going that way. You're going to do behind side cross, behind side cross. Yes, so turn, cross shuffle, rock, behind side cross. Let's do it facing this 12, and then I'll reverse it just so you can see it the other way. So we were here, weights on our left, we're gonna do our quarter pivot. 1, 2, cross shuffle, 3 and 4, side rock, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is behind side cross. Okay, let me turn it the opposite way, weights on our left. 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we are halfway through the dance. Let's take it from the top. Right foot cross shuffle. Ready, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, quarter turn, 7 and 8. Pivot quarter, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, side rock, 6, 7, and 8. The next part, let me turn this way. The next part is what I like to call a rumba shuffle. You're following a rumba box pattern, but you're throwing a shuffle step in there. So you're going with your right together, then right shuffle forward. Okay, so with the counts, we're going 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to be doing a weave, so we're not finishing our box. Instead, we're going to do a weave with a quarter turn. 5, 6, quarter turn, 7, and 8 with a left shuffle forward. Okay, so that last 8 count, half of a rumba shuffle box, and then a weave quarter turn shuffle. So right foot, we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good so far? Let's take it from the beginning. That last 8 count, you're going to see it on the opposite direction though, because we really should be facing the 6. So that you can see it properly, let's go from the beginning. Cross rock. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, pivot turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, rumba shuffle. 1, 2, 3, and weave. 5, 6, shuffle 7, and 8. Okay, so you should end facing your 3 o'clock wall. Follow. I'm going to finish it up because our last step is our easiest. Our right foot rocks forward, rock, recover, then we do a right shuffle back, We take our left foot, rock back, recover, left shuffle forward, Okay, so our last 8 count with counts, right foot starts, ready, at 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice and easy there. We're ready to start over at our 3 o'clock wall with our cross rock side shuffle. Okay, let me see who's all in here. I didn't get to say hi to everybody. Hi, Nancy. I see Jack, Chris, Stephanie. Hi, Josie Ann. Hi, everybody. Maxine. Hi, Cora. Yes, long time no see. It's good to be here and checking in with everybody. Let me know how you're doing. Hi, Linda. Hi, Faye. I hope to see you tonight. I'll probably be wearing the same thing. This is actually Bailey's Minnie Mouse. It was my Minnie Mouse when I was a little kid. And it's super stretched out because it's very old. And hi, Pamela. So since it's stretched out, I can still squeeze into it, and it looks like a tunic top. Yeah. But Bailey still wears it, so she's probably going to make me take it off when she gets home. Anyway, I thought it was kind of funny. And hi to my husband who is in the kitchen. Okay, so we're going to go over the whole thing, one wall. All right? Here we go. Right foot, ready, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, turn, 7 and 8, pivot 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, behind side, rumba, shuffle 2, 3, now weave, 5, 6, quarter, 7 and 8, rock, recover, shuffle back, rock, recover, shuffle forward. If you don't have it yet, we'll do it to all 4 walls, but wall 2, we have a kicker. We're going to have a restart in there, okay? Let's go through wall 2 and I'll show you where that restart is. So we start with our cross rock side shuffle. Ready? We're going to do a cross rock side shuffle, cross rock, quarter shuffle, turn. Now pivot, turn to our 9 o'clock, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross. We do our rumba shuffle, side together, shuffle forward, weave quarter turn, weave quarter turn, shuffle forward. We're to our 6 o'clock wall. Remember, we started at our 3. Go to our 6, restart here. So that's 24 counts in. Okay, let's go over wall 3 while we're here. Cross rock, shuffle. Ready, and cross rock, side shuffle, cross rock, quarter shuffle, pivot, quarter, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, rumba shuffle, 2, 3 and weave, 5, 6, shuffle 7 and 8, rock forward, shuffle back, rock back, shuffle forward. We've done 3 of the 4 walls. Okay, I'm going to do the last wall, and then I'm going to tell you a little trick. See if you recognize a pattern with my rhythm. The whole thing is consistent, okay? Ready, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We end that, we're to wall 5, okay? So the whole thing is ba 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 ba. Yeah? Okay, I think we're ready for music. Like always, we've done so well the past year and a half plus with coming on Facebook Live with music. However, you know it's always a risk. So if I lose you at all, just give me a few minutes because sometimes there's a delay in me seeing that it's kicked off, and I will come right back on because we have so many great dances to cover today, okay? So this is our first one. This is our beginner to start us off, get us nice and warmed up. The song, I have to take my gloves off to work my iPod. Okay, the song is How Deep Is Your Love? This is a remake of an old song, so I think that this will be really popular no matter what age group you're in. Yeah? Okay, let's go for it. Don't forget that restart on wall 2. I'll call it out. Count intro, so you have a minute. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, rock, shuffle. Cross, rock, shuffle. Pivot, cross, shuffle. Side, rock, behind, side, cross. Side, together, shuffle. Weave, quarter, shuffle. Rock, shuffle back. Rock. Wall 2, rock. Shuffle, rock, shuffle, Very good, I know you did. Pivot, shuffle, rock, behind side cross, breakfast shuffle, weave, shuffle, rock and shuffle back, rock and shuffle forward. Start again. Pivot turn. Breakfast shuffle, weave and turn. Last 8 count. Start again. Pivot turn. Rock and shuffle back. Rock and shuffle forward. Start again. Isn't this so nice, you guys?
I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. La 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 la.
Rock and shuffle. Start again. Cross rock.
And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm.
Rock and shuffle.
Then you softly leave, and it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love?
Pivot turn.
I really need to learn, 'cause
Rock and shuffle.
we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let
Cross
us
rock.
be. We belong to you and me. La, la, la.
Rock and shuffle. Nine and quarter. Rock and shuffle back.
I really need to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. La,
Cross rock. Shuffle. Cross rock. Shuffle. Pivot and shuffle. Rock. Behind side cross. Rumba shuffle. Weave and turn. Shuffle. Nice, you guys. Okay.